Hey everybody.
It's that time.
That's right. We're going to give you a cabin tour of our cabin. We're standing outside of it right now in the hallway.
Yep.
So our cabin on this cruise is 7309.
You'll show them the number as we walk up.
And it's a grand suite. So this is big cabin. It's not the biggest. It's the second biggest. The captain's suite is the largest. But it's really good size. So
It's nice.
it's really nice. So we'll start off.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Go ahead.
Coming along.
Go ahead.
So 7309.
Back up. There you go.
We've got an amazing amount of business cards taken, which is crazy.
Hi.
Come on in.
All right, so
As you enter.
here we are. What's cool is in these cabins here is you've got actually a little foyer,
Yep.
like a wood floor. That's probably laminate, but so that's kind of cool.
So over here we have like our breakfast, your continental breakfast that you can put out on your door, your snoozing sign. We put one of our clips here to put the room service menu, and then we just hang like some lanyards, and then I hang my purse that I take out with me to go all the time. And then over here we hung a couple of hooks for our hats that we can grab and go. So that makes it very easy. And then right here you have, whoops, light.
You have the light going out.
Light going out.
There we go.
All right, and here we have a lot of storage. This is as far as the door will open. So we've got our towels and we have a ton of water this cruise.
Oh my gosh, they just kept giving us water.
So as you can see, there's lots of storage in this cabin.
Yeah.
So this is how we used it.
So this is just one closet.
That's just one. And then on this side, we have the life vests. And then we have our jackets and sweaters.
Because believe it or not,
It got cold.
we needed them actually.
And then this is where we kept the hamper for the dirty clothes. As you can see, we're on the last sea day, so our hamper's
is
full. Lots for Kimberly to do when she gets home.
And then over here, you have a little, it could be a vanity area as well, but
Yes, we did not use it that way.
we did not use it that way. But this is where we keep all of our
This is like
electronics.
our hub, our
Yeah, this is
workstation.
kind of our work hub where we charge the batteries and music and all kinds of stuff. The phone, this is one phone
Right.
right here. Little shelf up here for this trip. We put all of our
Camera equipment.
extra camera equipment, extra cameras, and little tripods and all that good stuff. Back over here, directly across from the little vanity area,
Yeah,
two
couple
more of
hooks.
our little magnetic clips. One for all the fun times, the newsletters each day. The other one just for like informational stuff. Like tonight is the VIP Platinum Diamond get together. So we'll probably go to that for a little while.
Yep.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Here's our whiteboard, which I actually meant to write something on, but I did not. But that's where we make notes. For instance, if one of us is going out of the cabin and we want to let that person know where we're going,
Right.
we just write a little note on the whiteboard.
And then we put one of our magnetic hooks and put a washcloth here so we can have a dry erase.
Yep,
Very
so
easy.
when you wanna, and so this always comes in really handy. Actually, we've used it several times on this trip. Our other tripod stacked up in the corner, garbage. Then you have sofa right here,
Yep.
full sofa, which does fold out into a bed if you had more than 2 people in the cabin. And then also these 2 chairs right here. Another hook that we hung right there. That's one of our camera bags hanging. And then our neat little over the door organizer. It's made to go over a door, but we just put it on the hooks.
Now there wasn't a lot of wall space in this cabin, so we we'd like to put it on the ceilings weren't accessible because of the molding up top.
Yeah, this crown molding.
So we had to hang this like inside. The curtain still closes, but we hung this inside to kind of get it out of the way.
Amazingly, this is a huge cabin, but it doesn't have a lot of wall space in it.
Well, yeah. Plus the ceilings with the molding is
Yeah,
you can't push it off to the side.
Yeah. So this is where we store all of our like little knickknacks, towel clips, locks,
First
aid kit,
all kinds of stuff,
duct tape
that we've talked about on many occasions.
Yeah, everything's.
Then you have this little storage cabinet.
Yeah, little storage down here. They were nice enough to apparently give us a carnation.
That was for Mother's Day.
Oh, for Mother's Day. That's right.
Yes. And that was from my hubby for Mother's Day.
Yeah. So we were on the cruise for Mother's Day, which was cool. There's kind of an abstract painting in the room, which is actually pretty cool. So I'm going to pan around and give you a look back at the front door from
That's kind of where we came.
From which we came.
Yeah.
So now we're going to go ahead and take you outside on the balcony.
Do you want to come out to the balcony?
Yep. So you can see the balcony. The balcony is really big. It's really windy out here, and it is chilly. Okay. So balcony. Right here, it comes with this chair. It comes with a table where you can see there's a couple cocktails there. Some crackers. We enjoy having some crackers and cheese. It is super windy out here, folks. So you can see how big it is. If you pan all the way across over here, there's a full-size lounge chair as well. So the balcony is gigantic. And this is the view that we have today of a very angry Pacific Ocean today. It's choppy, swelly, windy, and cold. So it's in the 50s right now. So anyway, that's the balcony. We'll jump back in where it's warm. Which is really strange because the last cruises we've taken have all been Caribbean cruises, and you never have to worry about cold or jackets or anything. But it is chilly today. So as you can see, it comes with these big windows here too. That means the whole side of the whole cabin is giant windows where you can look outside. So now if we pan over here, this is the bed area. Comes with the two little nightstands, which have storage underneath. Down there. Full-size mirror behind the bed, which even makes the room look bigger than it already is. And then if we pan back, you'll see that we've got a stowaway.
Yes.
We've got a stowaway that's taking up residence on the bed with the
remote.
With the remote. Just took right over. Brought his dog with him. So anyway, this is pretty cool. Our cabin steward Domingo, who has been fantastic. We were coming down the hallway and he says, "Hey, there's like some visitors in your room," and we came in, and this was our towel animal for the day.
Our towel
person and the dog. So this is I've been on many cruises, and I've never seen this. So this is really cool. So again, there's the bed on the other side over here. Same thing, nightstand with storage underneath. The little lamps come with reading lights, so if you don't want to disturb your partner and read, right? And then more closet space, a whole other closet here. So this is my my clothes, hanging clothes, shoes on one side, and then the other side some hats, shorts and jeans, and one more pair of shoes down there. Then you get a full-size dresser right here, which is I didn't even have enough clothes to even really fill it all. So you can see, oh, not that drawer. Underwear drawer. So here, I've got like sweats and some like workout stuff in there. And so as you can see, so each side has 4 good-sized drawers.
See?
On each side. You know, so you get a full-size dresser in this cabin. You get another one of these like abstract paintings, which I dig. They're kind of Peter Max-ish.
Yeah, they are.
Very cool. You do get a television, and of course you get a safe, which is right above. If there's one thing I don't like about the room, it's first of all the TV is incredibly small, and where it's at. You can't see it from the bed.
Not
it's
both
not.
positions.
Yeah, it's kind of an obstructed view. But older ship, it's fine. We don't do a whole lot of TV watching anyway when we're on the cruise. But and then underneath the TV, as you can see under here, more storage if you want it. But there's extra linens and
for the pull-out
things for the pull-out bed with the sofa bed.
Right.
So now we're going to take you into
the
kind of the dressing room.
So
right
here's
here.
the dressing room. Full-size mirror. Nice space. It's even got a little mini sink right here. And then here's the drawer, which we brought our own blow dryer, so I've been putting our hair stuff here. And then our nightlight goes here.
Yeah, the
which
nightlight.
has been very handy.
Yeah, the nightlights come in handy.
I did change out the chair from the front desk area for this. I swapped them because this one worked better. The other one was too low. Also, you have cabinetry. Not so much here, but you could do tall things. You have a couple of storage units right here, which I just stored my makeup. And then we have shelves, more shelves.
A whole nother closet in here.
So this has been my area. So this is really where all my shoes go.
It's a shoe closet.
It's a shoe closet. And then we have here, this is where all my hang-up stuff went.
That's where all our hang-ups are.
Yeah. So that was, and you could put another hamper under here if you needed to.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, if it was longer than a week, we would have had to.
It was that one hamper actually is going to be about perfect for us
1 week.
For 1 week, for 1 week cruise. Now this is where you get. I mean, the cabin is really big. The cabin is beautiful. This is where you get the bang for the buck, right?
Bang
here.
for the buck.
Bang for the buck is in the bathroom because
Come on
anybody
in.
that's cruised, you know, bathrooms are generally pretty small. So this is our bathroom, right here. So double sink in the bathroom, full size mirror with the normal Carnival shelving for your toiletries and things like that. We put our medicine, we call it our medicine cabinet. It's a medicine bag that's got anything and everything that you would need if you were to get sick or have an upset stomach or whatever, is right here. Okay. Toilet, and this cabin comes with a bidet and not big.
But don't.
But don't.
We don't.
It comes with a bidet, and the reason it comes with a bidet is because this ship was originally built for the European cruise market for Costa Cruise Lines, who Carnival owns, and then they decided not to. So, anyway, that's why it has a bidet in it. We have not used it. And then here's the shower.
With the tub.
With a tub, with a jetted Whirlpool tub in it. We have not used the tub.
Nope.
But the shower is awesome.
Did you show the storage?
You've got room to move. So nice big bathroom, big shower. And then underneath here you have storage.
Yes. Not so much
here?
in this one.
Yeah, the other one is where they
Just for
keep your
extra
extra
toiletries.
toilet paper and tissue and things like that. Garbage can.
Perfect.
So
Come
we're
on
gonna
through
come
this way.
back out of the bathroom, through the dressing room, into the main cabin, and I'm just going to kind of pan around to give you kind of an overall view from kind of the center of what it looks like. So, and now we're going to flip around.
And we're backlit. Oh, there we are.
And there we are. So that is cabin 7309, the Grand Suite on the Carnival Splendor. We're going to save our review, so to speak,
For later.
We're going to do a full review of the cruise and the cruise ship and what we liked and some of the things that we thought could have been improved. So,
1 second. 1 second. Here, honey.
Oh,
So from Bradford and myself, hope you enjoyed the tour. Cheers, honey. And we're off to more adventures.
Yep.
Click like and subscribe, share, give it a thumbs up. We're looking to get to that 1,000 as soon as possible.
and we're giving away a Ferrari.
No, we're not. For the 5th time. But we do have a giveaway scheduled. So cheers. Thanks
Cheers,
for
everybody.
joining. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.